My name is Phoebe Olaoye, and I'm a past student of EFD, Equipping for Destiny. EFD impacted my life in several ways. In EFD, I learned that purpose, destiny, is not something I invent. It is something that God has written. It is all God's design. Prior to EFD, I was a stubborn person, but coming to EFD, I was taught about the heart of man, and I saw myself that I was a stubborn person, and by the grace of God, there was a change. God worked on me. Apart from that, there was a particular course, the Christian life, and I got to discover God wants me to fulfill my purpose. He wants to use my career as a platform for His purpose, and it's changed my orientation, and by the grace of God, I'm walking in that path. Everything about my life, my marriage, my career are all designed by God for me to fulfill purpose. I discovered purpose in EFD. I was also taught and guided on how to fulfill the purpose. I encourage you to enroll for EFD because you will be blessed and you will enjoy, and thank God that you enrolled. God bless you.
You are the next now to enroll. Come now and enjoy God. Come and receive what God has prepared and that He exclusively reserved for you. In case you need more clarity, you can make a call and make necessary inquiry. Drop your comment. God bless you.